Friday. Southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny.
Yeah.
Waves. An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 564, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 564 has been issued from 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut,